What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to be working on Jalen's Evo 8. If you guys have watched the last video, what we end up doing is that we remove all the tint off the car. We clean as much glue as possible from the driver's side, front and rear. I did spend more time on working on the rear window, so all the glue all came off, and we have a whole bunch of old glue are just sitting on top here on the panel. I finished on the passenger rear, and then we just have to work on the passenger front. And we also did fix the fuel pump, so that was a easy fix. We failed the registration, so we just gotta wait until this coming Friday to transfer our name into the title and also get new license plates, and we can hopefully drive this car, because I'm really tempted to drive this car on the road and see how she really feel. And then if you guys know, my birthday was yesterday, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the birthday wishes that it's given me. If you guys are following me on Instagram, and also today is my wife's birthday, so happy birthday to you, honey. Let's go ahead and start focusing on banging out on the passenger front window. I should have done this yesterday though, but I ended up putting the IPA 70% into a squirt bottle, sprayed on top on the glue, let it soak down, and then wiped it. Makes so much easier to get the glue off from the window. But we had all the glue stuck inside here on the seal, so we're gonna pop all the door panels off and get all the glue out of the way. I'm gonna end up popping the door panel off from there so that we don't have glue on top going in the seal. And yeah, let's go ahead and take out at least all the door panels off, and then we can start focusing on cleaning that window and then go from there. So I brought home my Snap-on 2 card. I bought this from my friend Joe. If you're watching this, thank you so much for the super good deal. So I am gonna be working at home for a little while. As of starting from yesterday, I am suspended until they want me to take the vaccination, which is not gonna happen. I'm gonna be continuing on just, you know, trying to fighting for my rights, take care of everything. Hopefully everything was good to go. But yeah, super excited to have this at home. Got some of my tools that I grabbed from the shop. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get the day going. If you guys want to know what IPA means, here is the guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit more inside the bottle, squirt it on top there, and then we can go ahead and clean all the glue off from the window. You completely remove all the glue that was on this passenger front windows. As you can see, how alcohol did wonders. Everything else on the window is clearly clean. So now we're gonna go ahead and bang out the other windows. I might have missed some when I had the windows all the way up, and try to get some old glue and stuck in the tight areas. After that, we're gonna clean all the glue off from the seal. You can see right there. It's the reason why we had to take the door panels off, and I wish I had took it off before I end up removing the glue. Go ahead and do all that, and we go from there. Alright guys, so we put all the door panels back in. All the glue that was stuck inside the seal, all is gone. In here as well too, in the tight area. So everything looks good. Besides all that old glue that is still chilling on top here in the back section, but we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up later on. The last video I didn't have the chance to check the lights, so if you were to press the brake, only the third brake light comes on. You turn on the lights, these lights doesn't come on. I don't even know if the reverse light comes on. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check the fuse. I checked the fuse box in the engine bay, pull both tail lights out, look at the connectors, they're all plugged in, so I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do research and see if I can come across with something. I should have known this guys though, but I wanted to remove all the sockets. Not one bolt, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bolts are missing inside the tail light, and I can guarantee you this other side is exactly the same. 5, 6, 7, and 8. What in the world? What happened to all the bulbs? At least now we know that it's just 8 bulbs that are missing from the tail light and nothing major. So we need to get 8 bulbs. We put the tail lights back in. Now the next thing that I want to do is that I want to go ahead and remove this aluminum radiator. This radiator is an unknown brand. Previous owner bought it from eBay and told me that it was new, but you can see here it's corroded. And if you look here on the bottom, you can see that lower radiator hose is way off where it's needed to be reached on the bottom on the radiator. I do have a CSF OEM replacement radiator. I also do have a radiator hose that I want to switch over in case if this doesn't fit. Let's go ahead and remove this junk, put the replacement OEM radiator, and then see if it lines up. Check this out guys, here is the side-by-side comparison with Samco Sport radiator hose and the OEM. That's a huge difference. So we're gonna go ahead and slap this on and it should fit. I do have an OEM radiator fan. The only problem is that when I got mine, it's used anyways by the way. The main plug that connects to the module plug is missing and it's the 2 wires are just cut. So I gotta figure out what I need to do to get it going, get it buttoned. So I do have the module that goes on top of the radiator. I need to go run down to the store and pick up some connectors, but it won't be today. We are definitely missing a reservoir. I think I do have one in the trunk somewhere. I have so much parts around here guys. Yeah, I do have one right here. Actually I have 2. Sick. Everything else is coming along slowly, surely. I know I need to kind of look over some couple things of why in front of the engine are just, when we have the car running, it smokes. It's like burning around the exhaust manifold. I feel confident that it has to do with the studs on the bottom section that is holding on the manifold. They have port galley. If the studs are not sealed, it's technically leaking and it's gonna burn off of the manifold, but we'll save that for the next time. I still need to figure out why the power steering pump here on the return or comes to the rack opinion is still leaking. I tried every washer seal whatsoever and I could not get this thing stop leaking. And I looked up parts on STM too. They don't even have a washer that goes on top of there because they're discontinued. And so I would need to find some time to look at on my Evo and see what kind of wash to stop leaking. So the next thing that I really want to do, guys, is that I want to go ahead and clean the interior all over again. We worked really hard of getting the interior all nicely cleaned up, and unfortunate that it's a mess again with all these old glue. I want to go ahead and start getting the interior all nicely cleaned up, vacuum the whole car again, slap the back seat back on top there, and of course I want to get this car a nice quick wash. So we gotta move the wife's car, daily, and the beast. Interiors is all nice and clean. Rear seats are back inside. Damn, she looks really good. We didn't even install the rear seats since the time that we cleaned it. We had it all pressure washed and we didn't even put it back on until this day. So it's been a few months as rear seats has been back in the car. Everything looks all nice and clean. We still need to replace the upper dashboard. So if anybody here is watching the video, let me know. I do have an airbag, so we're good to go on that. Also, I do need a driver's side seatbelt because since the car got deployed, seatbelt is all locked and we just need a replacement. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this car all nice and cleaned up, connect to our pressure washer, connect our foam wash. We need to go ahead and fill this up a little bit and blasting this car away. car is all nice and finished up. Looks really good. Super excited with where the car is coming out. Interior is finally complete. Still need to fix a couple things inside there, like replacing the upper dashboard, driver's side seatbelt, and just the little things though. But other than that though, I'm very happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. I need to go get ready because we're gonna go out and eat dinner, celebrating me and my wife's birthday. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button and also the notification button. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. I'm super excited. We're getting close to, you know, getting this car at least complete, or at least to get to where it needs to. But I'm very grateful and happy with all the love and support that you guys are giving me to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Aloha, and I'll see you guys on the next one.